Kirby, you have a cafe? This is nice. I'll have the breakfast bagel.
Fire!
Hey, Kirby! Delicious. Kirby? What is that? That's not what I ordered, Kirby. That's not a breakfast bagel, Kirby. I don't know what that is. It's moving! A breakfast bagel doesn't move like that. That's disgusting, Kirby. It's an abomination. Look at it. What, were you trying to kill me? I can't eat that, Kirby. Wait, no, not the Kirby. No, I'm bleeding out again. I'm dying, Kirby. He hit me with a frickin' car. And he tried to give me food poisoning. It's on the move. What is that thing? It's not a breakfast bagel. Kirby. I'm dead, Kirby.